videos here, right? In this video, I'm going to explain a topic regarding progressions, but I'm not going to go simple from here. So I'm going to tell you an important logic for you. How can you deal with all the sums of trigonometry in a systematic manner? It might be a 4 marks or 2 marks. How to think on, how to see the question, how to figure it out, what are the steps we have to. I assure you that if you are good at this logic, you can get anything. So let's do nothing but, so the S rule. Right? I'm going to figure out a rule for you, which is nothing but the S rule. So, what does this S rule consist of? How can you frame the steps from this S rule? Let me come back to you. Right? Here, everything starts from the question. Q means question. Okay. From there onwards, the first S what I am taking is sentence form. Means you have to remember one thing. From the question, pick the sentence form. Yes, the first S. And you might be thinking, why I am writing 2S here? Why? Because from the question, 2 times you have to take the sentences. You have to remember that one. From the question, first one is sentence form, right? The next one is symbolic form. Again 2S. Why? Because we are going to get 2 symbolic forms separately in a sequential order. First, from the question we go in this direction, and from the question we go in this direction. If you go in this direction with the 3S, we'll get the first equation, and if you again start from the question, if you go in this direction, we'll be getting the second equation. I'll get back to you. From the question, sentence form. Sentence form 2 times. 2 times you are reaching the question. Next one, symbolic form. What is that symbolic form? I will let you know. 2 times we have to go for symbolic form. Next, simplified form. What is that simplified form? I will let you know. But how many times? 2 times you are going for simplified form. From there onwards, if you go with the sentence form, symbolic form and simplified form, you are going for equation 1. Again, from the question, if you go with the sentence form, symbolic form and simplified form, you will go to the equation 2. How many equations we are getting? We are getting 2 equations. From the 2 equations, again we are going for one more S. That is nothing but solving equation 1 and 2. Right. So, because of the solving of equation 1 and 2, you will get the T value. Okay, again one more S we are going, that is nothing but the substitution, right? If you substitute that in the first equation, you will be getting the value of A. I repeat, S rule. From the question, sentence form, symbolic form, simplified form, right? Solving and substitution, all the S. That's why I'm calling it as S rule. Okay, I will teach you this one, you will get it. Okay, to explain that S rule, I'm going for one of the questions of your textbook. Find the 31st term. What is asking? He is asking us to find the 31st term. Okay, find the 31st term whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay, so what is asking? He is asking us to find 31st term, right? So I said you earlier, to find any term, we have to go for nth term formula. Okay, what is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so now what are all the variables here? A, d, n, an. These are all the 4 variables present in the nth term formula. What is questioning? He is asking us to find a 31st. That's the question. Now, by seeing the 31, you can straight away say n equals 31. Okay, what are the 2 things missing? A and D. How to get A and D? I'm going to follow this step. We will be getting A and D. Okay, let's go. Okay, now what is saying? From the question, pick a sentence. I'm going in this direction first. First, yes. From the question, sentence form. See the question, see the sentence form. 11th term is 38. I like to pick this as the sentence from the question. Sentence from the question. The first F, I will pick that one. 11th term of AP is how much? He said it is nothing but 38. This is nothing but the given. Okay, what did I do? I picked the sentence from the question. From the sentence, from the question, first sentence form, that is the first S. I picked it. The next one. After the first S, what is the next one? Symbolic form. How to convert the sentence as a symbolic form? Let's go for that one. I like to write that is, okay, is means equals. Very good. 38 means 38. Okay. 11th term of AP. How to write 11th term of AP in symbolic form? Yes, it's nothing but 11. Okay. What did we do? We have completed two S there. The first S is nothing but the sentence. Yes. The first S is nothing but the sentence. And the next S is nothing but the symbolic form. It's nothing but 11 equals 18, 38. Next. From the question, I went from the sentence form, that is yes. Next, symbolic form. Yes, I have written the symbolic form. What is the next one? Simplified form. What is the meaning of simplified form? Writing the symbol in terms of A's and D's. Simplifying. Make it simple. How to write A11? Can I write it as, which implies, can I write it as A plus 10B? That equals 38. Did I simplify the symbol what we have there? The symbol is 11. I am writing simplified. A plus 10D. 1 less than 11. If it is 11, take 1 less. Simplifying. Writing in terms of A's and B's is nothing but a simplify. Now, I like to call it as equation 1. So, I have completed 3's here. Sentence from the question. Next one, symbolic, and from it's nothing but simplified. I got equation 1. Right. So it's nothing but equation 1. Now let's go for means from the question. I went for the sentence form. This is the sentence. Yes, from sentence form, symbolic, I have taken A11 is equal to 38. From symbolic, I went for the simplified, one more S, that is nothing but writing in terms of A's and D's. Now, let's get back for the next one. Okay, again go for the other side. From the question, again go for the sentence form, again go for the symbolic form, again go for the simplified form. The next serial. Now let's pick from the question. What it says here, 16th term is 73. That is, from the question, we picked one more sentence. Let's write it down. 16th term of AP is, how much he said? 73. This is nothing but a given. So, we got one more given there. Okay. Now, from the question, I picked a sentence. The sentence form. Everything is sentence from. From the question, now I am doing in this direction. Sentence. From sentence, we are going for the symbolic form. How to write symbols? Is equal to means equals, 73 means 73, 16th term. How to write 16th term? Is it nothing but A16? Yes, that is 16th term of AP is 73. That is A16 is equal to 73. So, from the question, we went for the sentence. Yes, this is the sentence. Next, it is nothing but the symbolic form. Next, yes, you are guessing is right. Simplified form. What's the meaning of simplified form? Writing in terms of A's and D's, which implies, what is A16? How to write? 1 less than that. A plus 15B is equal to 73. Now, it's nothing but equation 2. As I said earlier, if you go in the first direction, we are getting equation 1. If you go in the second direction, we got equation 2. First and second equation, again one more S, solving equation 1 and 2. Right, by subtraction. That is what? We got equation 1 and equation 2. Solving equations. What are those? 1 and 2. What's that method? By subtraction. Right, we are going to use the subtraction method and we are going to solve it. Now, out of these two equations, which is the bigger? This is bigger. Can you please tell me why? A and A are same. 15B and 10B. 15B is bigger. So I am taking the second equation at the beginning. Okay, what's that? A plus 15B is equal to what we have 73. Now write the first equation at the bottom of that. A plus 10b equals 38. Now what is the method we are opting? Subtraction. Whatever sign we have, change it. Right? Whatever sign we have, change it. Whatever sign we have, change it. Now plus a and minus a, we cancel it. Now 15d minus 10d equals 5d equals 73. If you take away, I think it's 13. 13 minus 8, it's 5. And again we are having 6 minus 3, it's 35. Now d equals 35 by 5, 1s and 7. Therefore, d equals 7. What did we do? We have solved it. That's what I said. By solving, we are getting the value of d. After getting the value, one more f. That is nothing but substituting. We are going for the substitution now. Right? Substituting. What's that? b is equal to 7 in equation 1. What's that first equation? The easiest one. A plus 10b equals 38. Let us substitute the value of d in that one to get the value of a. So a plus 10 into d is nothing but 7 equals 38. A plus 70 equals 38. A equals 38 minus 70. A equals, if you take away, I think it's 22. Now 32. Yes. A equals 32. Okay, we got the value of A. But what's the question? He's asking us to find the 31st term. Let's find it out. 31st term with the help of nth term formula. So what's the formula here? The formula is nothing but, as I said you, to find any term, go for the nth term formula. So nth term of AP, the formula as you know, an is equals a plus n minus 1 into d. But what is the term required? 31st term. 31st term. Okay, a 31st equals a plus, in the place of n, substitute 31. 31 minus 1 into d. So what is a we got? A is nothing but 32 plus 30 into d. D how much you got? It's nothing but 7. So 32 plus 210, which is nothing but 242. What's that? A 31st. Okay guys, I'm teaching you mainly on the logic, S rule. Okay, how many S are there? Many S. That's why we are calling it as S rule. From the question, sentence form. Yes, these are the sentence form. The next one, symbolic form, converting in the form of symbols is called symbolic form. The next one, simplified form, converting in terms of A's and B's is called simplified form. Now we got equation 1 from the first S and equation 2 from the second S and Z. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2 is nothing but the fourth S, and the substitution is nothing but our fifth S. We got from solving, we got the value of D. From substitution, we got the value of A. From solving, we got the value of D. From substitution, we got the value of A. After getting A and D, use the nth term formula and find out anything. So please remember, from the question, sentence form, symbolic form, simplified form. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.